Welcome back to Movie Masters. This episode is about what would you take if you were going overseas to do travel blogging style content. So currently I'm staying in a hotel in Berlin. I am traveling around Europe and I want to show you what I brought with me. Now I have been traveling a lot every day, so I didn't want to take a suitcase. I'm a seasoned traveler. I've been traveling for over 12 years around the world, making movies, playing music, do all that kind of thing. I remember the first time I went traveling, I bought it was about a 45 to 50 kilo backpack, and I got rid of it after about 2 days. Now I just carry around one backpack called the Think Tank Airport Commuter, and I'll show you what I brought with me. And there are a couple of things that are just laying around, extra clothes, but mainly let me show you the inside. So this is the bag I have with me, the Think Tank Airport Commuter. So in the front, I keep my trusty iPad Pro. Now this has the Magic Keyboard, so it is very useful. I actually have DaVinci Resolve on this, and I can edit on this, and I can remotely also access my MacBook Pro. Now inside my bag, other than the mess of clothes, it's a bit messy, it was cleaner before, I have a drone remote, a drone itself. I was really tossing up between bringing the Mini 3 Pro or the Air 3. I decided to go for the Air 3. I wanted just better quality footage. I thought maybe it could get stopped at airports, but all good so far. Then I had to pick one camera. I picked my Sony A7C Mark II, which is a full frame camera, and I've got the Samyang 35 to 150 2 to 2.8 full frame. So that covers a lot of range, and well, this has been my beast throughout the trip, but I gotta admit, most of the time I'm using what I'm holding currently in my hand, which is the Pocket 3. Now look, I bought a power bank. I still actually haven't used that yet. Some headphones. This selfie stick goes with my Action 4. Now I still haven't had to use that yet, but this is my other little camera that I take out just for my day-to-day things. When I want to put it in my back pocket, it easily fits. Now another thing I brought with me is the Rode Wireless Pro. I've got, well, the receiver and the sender that connects to my Sony A7C Mark II. There you go, that just goes on the front there. I've got the cables, and then I brought two backup hard drives, one 2 gig, one 4 gig. Very expensive, but you use up a lot of stuff on the road. Anyway, that's what's in my travel bag. So it does take a bit of getting used to traveling light. But when you use all this camera equipment, it's hard. Tell me, what do you do to save on luggage? Because when you're traveling many places, you've got to pay for luggage for every entire flight. Well, I find with that lens, these two mini cameras, my drone, that pretty much covers all of it. Also for the audio on this one, I've got my little DJI Mic 2. But as I said, I've also got the Rode for my main camera, and that's what I use. So currently traveling around Europe. That's why I'm not making any videos at the moment, but I did make this one. So thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. And yeah, leave a comment, tell me what you're using if you are a travel vlogger. Obviously, I use different cameras for different things. If you want to see my vlog, leave a comment below, I'll send you the link.